Okay, this is going to be a quick tutorial showing how you can build an AI-powered workflow inside of Glow to pull news stories from the last 24 hours from a particular source or list of sources and then pass them to the AI prompt node here, which we can then use to generate a structured report on all of the news stories and then send it by email at the same time each day so you can wake up every morning to a news briefing. So basically the way it works is we have a Google Sheet with a list of sources here. Right now I just have Bloomberg because that's what we're going to be testing with. And the News API actually has a list of IDs that it will accept for different sources. So it will work with most of the big publications like Bloomberg, Wall Street Journal, CNN, stuff like that. And those IDs are what we have here in the Google Sheet. So it will pull from the Google Sheet and then it will send the IDs to the HTTP node here, which will then insert it into the URL parameter, and then the response will get sent to the AI prompt node, which will then build the email and then send it to us. So we're going to be running it manually from the get news sources step here. Normally it would trigger from this schedule node here at 7 a.m., but we're going to be testing manually. So if I click run, it will grab that ID and then it will send it to the API. The response will come through and then the email should arrive after a couple minutes. Alright, so the workflow just finished and we have received our email. You can see here it's separated into different sections based on what we put in the AI prompt. And this is just a brief summary for each of these stories from Bloomberg over the last 24 hours. You could mess around with the format, change it up however you wanted to. You could also have it send a message from Slack or maybe from Telegram, or to Telegram I mean, instead of an email, but this is kind of the gist of how you could build something like this inside of Glow.